We're going to present about the project in TWT 2231, Web Techniques and Application. Our project title is Online Student Attendance Management System. Okay, I'm Lim Kian and my other member is Tan Hui Chi. Okay, let's see about our table of content. Okay, we will have introduction, problem statements and objective, problem scope, detailed description, technical use and demonstration, and conclusion in our this presentation. Next, I'll pass to the next person to talk about the introduction.
Hi, my name is Tan Hui Chi, and today I will present our project, which is the online student attendance management system. This is a simple web-based system developer using PHP, HTML, CSS, Apache, and JSON. The purpose of this system is a digital solution. It allows a lecturer to manage student information, record attendance, and view attendance reports more efficiently. And now I will talk about the problem statement and the objective of our project. The main problem is that manual attendance recording takes a lot of time and effort. The paper attendance sheets can also be lost or damaged. So in addition, organizing attendance record for multiple weeks is difficult, and preparing reports manually may lead to human errors. Therefore, there is a need for simple online attendance system. And now I talk about the objective. The objectives of this project is to develop a web-based attendance system, to allow lecturers to add and remove student records, to record attendance from week 1 until week 14, and to store attendance record electronically using JSON files, and to display attendance report for easy viewing. And now I'll talk about the program scope. The system includes 3 main functions: student management, tag attendance, and attendance report. Users can add or delete students, record attendance, and view attendance reports. However, our project does not include advanced features such as login, database integration, editing student information, or exporting reports because it is designed as a simple attendance management system. For the detailed description, the system starts with the main menu, where user can choose one of the 3 modules, and the student management modules allow user to add or delete student records. The tag attendance modules let users select a week from week 1 to week 14 and mark each student as present or absent. The enter a reason of the student is absent. Finally, the attendance report module displays all saved attendance records for review. And now I'll talk about the technologies used. Our system was developed using HTML to create the web page, CSS to design the user interface, PHP to process the system function, Apache as the web server, and the JSON files is to store student and attendance data.
The demonstration. Okay, first we need the 6 files. One is the index.php, student.php, attendance.php, report.php, and this is the style.css, and attendance.json, and student.json. Okay, these 2 JSON files for us to store our data that we will key in the website. Okay, next, for example, I save all already at this one. Go to find the XMPP, htdocs. For example, I've saved in this TWT already. All the things already saved. Okay, then I go to our website. I'll go to Apache first. I start for Apache SMPP control panel. Start for Apache. Okay, you already turn greens. Okay, minimize this. We go to our browser and type localhost/TWT. Okay, this localhost is then the TWT is the file they are stored in the folder. So the folder name TWT, so I'll just open as TWT. If you store in another folder, you just type the name, press enter. Okay, now we have come to our online student attendance management system. Okay, in here we can see this main menu. We can see we got 3 buttons here: student management, the attendance, and attendance report. Yeah, go to each. Okay, when you click the student management, it's come to this page and take attendance, the attendance report. Okay, now we start for the student management first. Okay, for example, now I key in the student ID. Okay, for example, like this. Then name I just put like Jensen. Okay, then I add student. Okay, you can see it will come the ID and the student. Okay, if I don't want this student, I maybe have key wrong student ID. I want is then I delete this action. I key again. Then my name. Okay, then I add student. Okay, you can see here you already add. Okay, now for the error, like I didn't key anything. I key like a student ID, but I didn't key name. You please fill out this field. Okay, for example, I key the name. Like I already example only. So you also like you need to fill this field. For example, I add one more student. Then I click add student. Okay, you can see you add to the student list. Okay, this is for the student management system. Now we go to the tag attendance. Okay, we go to the tag attendance. You can see here, I can choose like for week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 until week 14. Okay, for example, I use week 1 first. Okay, this status I can choose present or absent. For example, now today is Lim Kian is present, but Tan Wei Chi is absent. But the reason like for you have sick. Okay, then I click save attendance. Okay, then we go to the attendance report. You can see here, oh, this present, so reason is nothing. So then the student ID of Tao Hui Chi is absent. The reason is sick. Okay, for example, I want to for another week, like week 3. Okay, both of this is absent and one is no reason, and one is maybe I write also sick. Okay, I use cancel for sick, and this for nothing. Let's save attendance report. So we can see today the attendance report. This is week 1, and just now I've choose week 3. So at here we will show the week 3 and the status both absent, and one got reason and one is not reason. Okay, we have say the JSON file, right? Okay, so go to the attendance report. You can see this the report, and the student list is this. Okay, now we go to the JSON file to see the data. Okay, click JSON. Yes. Okay, now we can see this the attendance. So we have the like week 1, week 3. I just spread out easily to see. Okay, so you can see you automatically update it here. Then we go to the student. This is the student list one. Okay, we have 2 students, so we also will key in here. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
And so for the conclusion, our online students attendance management system successfully provides a simple solution for managing student attendance. The system helps lecturers manage student records attendance, and generate attendance reports more efficiently than manual methods. Although it's a basic system without a database or login function, it demonstrated the practical application for web development technologies in solving a real-world problem. That's all for us. Thank you.